Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming your operating system and saving work because some display changes require sign out or restart. Once done, close full screen applications so settings apply cleanly. Now open settings on Windows or system preferences on Mac OS or your distro's control center. Make sure you have administrator access, otherwise you may be blocked from global changes. You're already taking action, navigate directly to display, accessibility, or appearance sections to begin increasing font size immediately. You'll now change scaling and DPI to boost readability. On Windows, choose Display Scaling or Advanced Scaling settings and pick 125% or 150% or enter a custom value. On Mac OS, pick Scaled Resolution or use Accessibility Zoom Larger Text. On Linux, adjust High DPI Scaling or X11/GNOME Font DPI. Once you apply a new scale, make sure to preview how apps render. Some require sign out, so save work first. If text looks blurry, tweak fraction. Finish by adjusting font sizes inside key apps. Browsers have text size controls and Control++ works. Editors and email clients have their own font preferences. Then enable accessibility tools like System Zoom, Larger Cursor, or high contrast themes to complement larger fonts. If something breaks, first revert the scale and try a different percent, then update your display drivers, and finally reset font caches or app preferences. One key troubleshooting tip. If text appears blurry, try integer scaling or parap scaling to restore crispness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.